In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a customized form using the Forms app. This simple process will guide you through setting up either a pop-up or an inline form, depending on your specific needs. Let's get started, and you'll soon have a professional-looking form tailored to your preferences. First things first, you'll need to install the Forms app. If you haven't done so already, head to your app store or search for it online. Make sure you select and install the correct application, as there may be several with similar names. Once the installation is complete, open the app and head straight to the starting point by clicking on Create Form. This is where your form building journey begins. Next, you'll be prompted to decide on the type of form you wish to create. You have two main options here: a pop-up form or an inline form. Each serves a different purpose. Pop-up forms are perfect for grabbing attention when visitors land on your page, ideal for announcements, promotions, or signups. On the other hand, inline forms are more static and blend seamlessly into your website's layout, making them suitable for newsletters, surveys, or registration purposes. Once you've decided on the type that best suits your needs, go ahead and enter a name for your form, something descriptive that will help you identify it later. After you've named your form, click on Create to proceed to the customization phase. Now comes the fun part: customizing your form to match your aesthetic and practical needs. The customization options available will vary depending on the type of form you've selected, but generally, you can adjust fields, colors, fonts, and even add your branding elements, like a logo. Spend some time tweaking these settings to ensure your form looks and feels right. Think about the user experience and what information you need to collect. Make sure it's easy to read and navigate. Remember, the goal is to make it as user-friendly as possible to encourage submissions. Once you've finished tailoring everything to your liking, take a moment to review all the changes. When you're satisfied with the customization, make sure to save your work. This step is crucial to ensure that all the adjustments you made are preserved and your form is ready for deployment. Double-check everything one last time before you hit that save button. It's always a good idea to preview the form from the user's perspective to catch any last-minute tweaks that might be needed. And there you have it. Your personalized form is now ready to be used. Feel free to implement it on your website or share it through your preferred platforms. This process doesn't take long, and with the Forms app, you have a versatile tool for engaging with your audience effectively. Thanks for following along today, and I hope your new form serves your needs perfectly.